Hello everyone. So today's video is going to be about how to download Steam on Windows 10. Okay, so that's what we're going to do today. In this video is to show you guys how to download Steam on Windows 10. So this is going to tell you how to do it. It says how to do I install Steam. You know, gotta follow all these instructions right there. Okay. Now scroll down a little bit until you see Steam download on your computer, or you could just like type in Steam download. Okay, so go ahead and type in Steam download. It says welcome to Steam. Go ahead and click on that. And then from here, what you want to do is go ahead and go up here and then go to install Steam, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that. And now you should see this right here. It says install Steam. Now I've already downloaded Steam onto my computer, just so you guys know. So yeah, it's really simple to download Steam. So now you know how to download and install Steam on Windows 10. This is right here. So just like I said before, all you have to do is just click on this, and then it will give you all the downloads and everything. You know, like go to show in folder, then click on the application right here. So that's what it looks like. Okay, so anyways, that's pretty much about it today on Steam, on how to download Steam. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. And I want to say thank you for watching, and see you later.